Hello friends, welcome back. Now let us continue with the previous questions part. Now let us. This is the question they have asked in the 2019, and they have asked it for the 2 marks. Okay. Now let us understand. A box measuring. Okay, there is a box and dimensions are given. Is filled to the top with a dry coarse aggregate of mass 187.5 kg. Okay, that means there is a box. What is the dimensions of the box? 50 centimeter. Okay, let me represent it in meters. 50 centimeter means 0.5, 0.5 and 0.5. Okay, fine. And what is the mass of the coarse aggregate? So let us say mass I am representing with M. How much it is given? 187.5 kg. Okay, as of now, fine. What we have to find? The water absorption and specific gravity of the aggregate. So whatever the aggregate they are placing, it is having a capacity of water absorption. So it is water absorption percentage 0.5%. And they're asking that this coarse aggregate is having a specific gravity of 2.5. And what we have to find? We have to find out maximum quantity of water required to fill the box completely. As we already know, even though we are doing the filling this box with the coarse aggregate, definitely there will be some voids. So for filling that voids, we are adding the water. Now remember, while you are adding the water, without changing the volume of this coarse aggregate, it is absorbing some of the water content. That is what how much? 0.5%. So first of all, we have to find out what is the volume of the coarse aggregate, right? So before moving on to that, first of all, let us find out what is the total volume of the cube. Suppose if I represent this in a phase diagram. In the phase diagram, if total volume is V, and here we can say this is the volume occupied by the coarse aggregate, and this is the volume occupied by the water. So we have to find out, if you want to find out the quantity of water, first we should know how much volume of water is required. So let us first find out what is the total volume. 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5. So if you do that, you will get as 0.125 meter cube. Right? Now let us find out what is the volume of coarse aggregate. So how can I find out the volume of coarse aggregate? That is what nothing but as you know the specific gravity, we can replace it weight of the aggregate divided by G into gamma W. Weight they're already given how much? 187.5. Specific gravity is given as how much? 2.5 into gamma W. Here this value we are substituting in kg. Volume you are taking in meter cube. So here let me substitute this in kg per meter cube. So how much? 1000 kg per meter cube. Then if you solve this, what is the volume occupied? 0.075 meter, right? So out of the total volume, right? What about the volume of the voids? So that can I say total volume minus volume of the coarse aggregate, isn't it? Now, what is the total volume? 0.125 minus 0.075. That will be equal to 0.05 meter cube. Now, if you understand here there is one point, that is in the voids, wherever there are voids having a space of 0.05 meter cube. So if you want to fulfill this 0.05 meter cube, how much quantity of water is required? How can I find it? By using the rho. Rho will be equal to mass by volume. What is rho value? 1000 kg per meter cube. That will be equal to mass divided by what is the volume? 0.05. That implies if you solve this, how much it is required? 50 kg. But if you remember that this coarse aggregate is having a water absorption of how much? 0.5%. So what is the 0.5% of the total mass? That means 0.5 divided by 100 into 187.5. Then if we solve that, we'll get it as 0.9375. So this is what because of the voids, and this is because of the water absorption. So whatever the total mass of the water or total quantity of the required to fulfill the box completely, that is 50 plus 0.94. If I round off to 2 decimals, that implies how much quantity of water is required? 50.94 kg. I'm looking the equation. So we have to report our answer in kg up to 2 decimals. So we can enter our answer as 50.94. So here also it is directly formula oriented question, but the thing is that we have to apply the concepts whatever we have discussed. Okay, thank you.